So what is actually my profit before tax? My profit before tax is nothing but it is actually the total revenue minus total expenses. Generally, how do we calculate profit? We calculate profit by subtracting our expenses from the revenue, right? This is how we calculate profit. Same concept will be applied over here. In this, or I should say till now, what we have done, we have made a total of our revenue and we have calculated total of our expenses. Now what we are left as a statement is about calculating the profit and losses. So we need to calculate profit. How will we calculate profit? We'll apply a formula, that is total revenue minus total expenses. Now what is total revenue? Under heading 3 we calculated total revenue, that we will put, and under heading 4 we calculated total expenses, that we will put. So that is actually my profit before tax. Now tax will be mentioned under heading number 6. Whatever be it, 50%, 60%, 40%, it will be given in the question, right? Now once I have the tax ready with me, what will I do? I will calculate the amount of tax. Suppose it is 50%, then 50% on what? 50% on profit before tax. Clear? So my amount is ready, and after that I have profit after tax. So when I have my profit before tax with me, I have my tax amount with me. If simply I subtract it, I will get profit after tax. So this is what is the statement all about. We need to calculate the profit and losses, and this is how we actually calculate the profit and losses. First we calculate the revenue from operations. We should know what items come. Okay, so whenever it is put in the question, we can easily pick those items and put it under the heading of revenue from operations, right? Then comes other income. Quickly we'll choose and we'll put. After having revenue from income and other income, we will add up both and we will calculate our total revenue. Once my total revenue is ready, my next work begins calculating my expenses. For expenses, I have 7 different types of expenses. Under that, whatever items come, we need to calculate, we need to put and be ready with our total expenses. Now what? My 90% of the work is done. I have my total revenue with me. I have my total expenses with me. Now the last work is just to subtract total revenue and total expenses and calculate profit before tax. Once profit before tax is ready, I will subtract tax from there, and in hand what will remain? The profit after tax will remain in hand. Very simple. Okay, so this is what I had planned for today. Very simple, very easy class for today. We have understood all the headings and subheadings in relation to the statement of profit and loss. Right?